have to build a brand from scratch. No followers, no website, no budget. Could you actually make money? I tried it, and what I found changed how I look at online business forever. Because it's not about luck or ads or having a huge audience. It's about using the right tools in the right order. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. We are building a print-on-demand brand completely from zero. Everything you need to turn creativity into income and income into freedom. Let's start with what actually sells. Step 1. Find winning products. Most beginners jump straight into design, but entrepreneurs start with data. The first thing I do is open Etsy and use the search bar. Take something broad like stickers or t-shirts. I start broad because I want to spot demand at scale, what people are buying, what styles are trending, and which ideas are constantly ranking. Then I move over to EverBee Product Analytics, which pulls real-time Etsy sales data. Inside EverBee, I can see exactly which listings are performing, total sales, monthly revenue, pricing, and keywords. Now, why these products? Because stickers and t-shirts sit at the intersection of culture and self-expression. They're simple, low cost, and emotional. People buy them not just to use, but to represent who they are. And that is the most powerful kind of product you can sell. When I saw that gym team items were exploding on Etsy, everything from workout quotes to feminine gym merch, I knew it wasn't random. It's part of a massive cultural trend, the gym girl movement. This niche is everywhere, on TikTok, on Pinterest. Clean girl meets gym lifestyle. Athleisure meets empowerment. It's visually aesthetic, emotionally relatable, and super brandable. By narrowing from t-shirt to gym girl t-shirt, I'm not competing with generic brands. I'm creating for a specific audience that already exists, already buys, and already shares what they love online. That is the real advantage. When your niche is easy to identify, easy to reach, and easy to market visually, you are not longer guessing. You're just showing up in the right place with the right message for the right people. Turn insights into ideas. Now that I know what it sells, I need original ideas that belong in that culture. I open ChatGPT, my creative co-founder, and prompt: give me 15 short, feminine, motivational slogans for gym girl culture, catchy, empowering, and aesthetic. Seconds later, I've got strong is hot, peer princess, fueled by protein and progress, one more rep, not your average gym girl. Then I refined, make them sound relatable and wearable, like something you will actually see on a mug or a Gymshark t-shirt. This is the fun part, watching ideas transform into marketable products in seconds. Here is the mindset shift. You're not creating designs, you're creating moments of identity. When your product mirrors how someone sees themselves, it sells on emotion first. What slogan would you put on a t-shirt right now? Drop it below. I might use it in next design demo. Design your products. Now it's time to make those ideas real. I open Kittl. It's like Canva but made for product designers. It's powerful but simple. You can design manually or use their built-in AI to create products in seconds. Let's design both, a sticker and a t-shirt. Example 1. Gym girl sticker. For the sticker, I use Kittl AI and type cute gym die-cut sticker, strong is hot in pastel pink, bubble letters with small icons like a dumbbell or a sparkle. Seconds later, it gives me ready-to-edit options that already look like products you see on Etsy. I took the outline and colors and it's done. Cute, confident, and instantly shareable. Example 2. Gym girl t-shirt. Now for the t-shirt design. I type minimalist gym t-shirt, peer princess, with bold text, clean layout, and small fitness icons. I keep the palette neutral, white and black, so it looks premium and wearable. Designs don't go viral, feelings do. You're not selling artwork, you're selling alignment. If you haven't tried Kittl yet, it's actually fun to use. I'll leave the link below if you want to give it a go. Fulfillment made simple. Once the designs are ready, I head to Printify. This is where everything comes to life. Gym girl stickers. Choose stickers. Die-cut sticker sheet. Upload strong is hot as transparent PNG. Center it. Preview mockups like laptops or bottles. If it costs around $120 to produce, list it for $3.50 to $4. Gym girl t-shirt. Add a unisex heavy cotton tee. Place a peer princess on the front. Colors white or black. If it costs $9 to $10, price it $25 to $30. From there, every sale is automatic. Printify prints, packs, and ships. You just collect the revenue. Each listing becomes your digital assets, something that earns while you sleep. This is where you shift from designer to business owner. Have you used Printify or another POD tool before? Drop it in the comments, I'm curious. Oh, and if you want to try Printify yourself and follow along, I'll leave my link in the description so you can start testing products right away. Build your branded storefront. The moment your products are ready, it's time to take ownership. Not just another listing on Etsy, but a space that's fully yours. That's where EverBee Store comes in. It makes launching your own branded storefront Storefront effortless. Inside EverBee, go to Apps, EverBee Store, create a store. Choose how you want to build. You will see 3 paths. Create with AI, import from Etsy, move from Shopify or Wix. For this build, I use Create with AI and type. Build a clean, feminine fitness brand for the gym girl audience. Neutral tones, minimal layout, empowering energy. In seconds, EverBee generates a full working store. Homepage, banner, product grid, and email form. Now make yours. Start with mobile view. That's where most people shop. Then fine-tune the look. Font, pop-ins, and layer combo. Accent colors of beige and pink. Overall vibe, modern, minimal, and confident. Add your logo, banner, and tagline. Mine says, strong is hot, empowerment in every rep. Add your products. Import from Etsy, add manually, or connect Printify. I did Printify and import both designs. EverBee automatically pulls titles, prices, and mockups. Then I use the AirBrain to polish product descriptions. Upload a banner, activate newsletter sign-up, and your storefront is live. From now on, every visitor builds your brand, not someone else's. EverBee Store gives you 30 days just for $1. If you're ready to build your own storefront, use my link in the description. It will take you straight to the setup so you can launch this week. What would you name your store? Drop it below. I might feature my favorite one next video. Marketing, holidays, and mindset. Now let's talk about growth, because a store without traffic is just a landing page. Right now is the best time to start. Seasonal demand is exploding. Halloween now, Christmas next. If you act early, you will have a huge advantage before the rush. 28 days holiday launch plan. Week 1, awareness. Post reels, TikToks, shorts, showing your design process and story. Week 2, freebie. Offer a digital wallpaper or printable to grow your list. Week 3, content. Create lifestyle posts like gift ideas for your gym bestie. Week 4, urgency. Reminders like let's say for free shipping or order for Christmas. Post across TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and send quick emails. Small, consistent actions beat one perfect post. You're building awareness, trust, and urgency. The 3 pillars of holiday sales. And this isn't just for holidays. It's a repeatable framework for year-round growth. Stop thinking like a student. Start thinking like a brand owner. You're not building merch. You're building freedom. What does financial freedom look like for you? More time, more travel, more choice? Drop it below. You have just seen the full process. And the crazy part, this is the exact blueprint content creators are using to build freedom online. We started with an idea. You research what sells. You created designs that carry culture. You automated fulfillment. And you built your own store, your own brand. Not the gatekeepers, no inventory, just creativity turned into income. So if you have been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. Go build something that represents you. Something that funds your freedom. Because the next big brand doesn't come from a corporation. It comes from a creator who finally decided to start. If you're ready to build yours, hit like, subscribe, and drop a rocket emoji in the comments so I know you're in. And if you want to start your own store today, try EverBee Store in my link in the description. It's just $1 for 30 days. So there is literally no reason not to start. See you in the next one.